Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change presser footer on an industrial sewing machine. So I have here two of my presser foot. I have the zipper foot and then the gathers foot. So I have a general footer that has been fixed on this sewing machine. I'm going to go ahead and then unscrew the all-purpose footer from this sewing machine. So this screw here, I'm going to unscrew. Then I'm going to remove the footer, and then I'm going to insert the gathers foot here. So this is the gathers foot. So the next thing, I'll just screw this back onto the machine. So after screwing, make sure you screw very tight so that it is held in position. So after screwing, if you want to change it into any other foot, you unscrew using the same procedure. Take your screwdriver on this screw here and screw it, pull it out, and then you insert your next footer. This is actually a zipper foot, so you just insert, hold it down, and then screw it. Make sure that the screw is tight so that it is firm. So this is it. This is how to change a footer in less than 15 seconds. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If there's anything you want me to feature on my sewing machine, please don't forget to send me a comment and I'll be very glad to film the video. Thank you so much for making time to watch this video.